On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
A tree in a pear.
Me I talk about cake on the first day of Christmas where you give me.
On the first day of Christmas?
Yeah, how much cake you give me today?
I don't even know how much. When it come out, you will see.
Mommy, I got bake.
Remember, some you not bake kiss, you know? But just try me thing a year time and yeah.
No, you're bake kiss. You're not bake, you're bake kiss.
Oh, me a bake kiss, me a not bake right. Me a not baker.
Guys, to tell you the truth, hi, welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Wow. To tell you the truth, mommy I go bake now. And a 2 hours sleep me get last night. So I have to get up early for get work this morning. I'm gonna show them the process and cake making. The process and I think I really want to show Huna the process, but my eye is bleeding. I'm really tired. I'm extremely tired. So mommy I go control the camera from here on out. Yeah, you understand? Just make sure say your finger not touch slow-mo. Come.
Yeah, so this is the butter and sugar with the egg. I'm about to add in the raisin now.
Ew. Wait some for the taste it?
Yeah, you know Christmas time you have little daughter, little son in the kitchen. So yeah, look at that.
Alright. Yeah, man, I think it's perfect.
Yeah. You know, big up to all of the baker them because
it's hard, baking hard.
Of course, baking is hard. You have to love maths to be mathing the right amount of ingredients. Not true.
I will eat this done.
Yeah. Yeah, because me and my sister. Yeah.
I know I said me to go sleep, but I can't remember go Fontana earlier. I'm sitting in the car, I'm asleep. I don't even know how long mommy spending at Fontana, but I did sleep into the car. So I'm gonna say, you know, yeah. We have 1, 2, oh that alright, we'll start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but them didn't butter yet. Pans that are gonna be filled with cake batter. In here smell like Christmas. Mommy love use our presentation voice, so I'm gonna fill them now.
Now hold it here, so. Scoop.
What you know about that?
What you mean?
Come off a TikTok.
No, I can't. Say people.
Bolo slush, me not tell you no lie.
I want to tell you what it look like. I want to tell you what it look like. Now watch that. But
girl, I bake you, bake.
I bake me a bake and a chicken me a jerk.
Come on, come.
You catch a drift? You catch a drip? Aye. No, you catch it front way. Come back to, yeah.
What's going on with the fit? The lady tell me something to come show when she put it in and she run put it in without.
I don't even remember.
Come. Voila! 3 out the oven already. 3 left in there. What does it smell like? Yeah. I need a professional. I need to put our cherry in there, make it nice, you know.
Yeah, we expect. Yeah, it's Christmas.
I did try to fix up my room a little bit, fold up the laundry room. I did just have put on and stuff. So bedtime will come very soon. It is today which day? Today Tuesday, the 23rd, and the sorrel is on the stove. Mommy, I make bread pudding. She clearly, one baking bug clearly bite her, but the bread pudding is in the oven and the sorrel up here, so I do what it do. So She didn't want to come. I'm out of the freezer already for defrost. I'm like, you do realize that we are Thursday at Christmas, right? But yeah, I'm on the phone with Miss Swanshi. Oh, you think of tomorrow too? So hold on there. You just completely forget your birthday? Because that's the same thing I thought when mommy said she think of tomorrow. I said, so you just think just one today's one birthday and nothing? Well, let's see how she in her cute coats. She go New York. New York. Yeah, so I'm gonna check out our vlog.
It's like I'm just going to my next home.
Right?
Yeah. New York is my playground. I go home to rest.
Period.
No, for real. Literally.
People my beg a slice off our bread pudding. Man, so go on with it like yourself. Right? It tastes like a bakery. It tastes like the one that was still in a different house bakery.
So good.
Boy, you're not bakeries no more, you're a baker. Let's just go. Let's actually really well go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Celebrate life, celebrate life. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Wow, all the vibes. King thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again. Boop, 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 boop. You don't know why ShamDon I represent for one birthday. It's just so rude. How do you feel to be 1 year older?
Not a way. I just feel tired. I want a massage.
So go massage your tired body, girl.
Happy birthday, Zuzu.
Nuts roasting on an open fire. Doom, 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 doom. Jack Frost. Well, I no play it yet. It's my first time vlogging on the Extra Muse. Hi, I know I'm a little mash up, but it is Christmas Eve, and we're about to do our maintenance Olympics. First up, mommy here, then me here, then me lash, then me nails. So after that, mommy already prepped the meat. Them like guys, when mommy had the fear thing, she just do it. She not get about no warning. She just do it. She do when she want to do it, or she want to do it. So I did not even get a chance to pick up the camera, and because I was doing something at the same time to go ahead and.
I'm happy for that.
And you're such happy for that.
No, I'm happy to say you said that. That makes me
yeah. So anyway, she seasoned up the meat, them and everything. I'll take out my arm out of the freezer for go on. Only thing about the menu, I asked you fried chicken and ham. And as you can see, she bake 1,000,001 cakes. So yeah, that's how we're looking for tomorrow. So I come back soon when I'm done the maintenance. I look body, I look mash up. I feel like the camera have show me even worse than how I actually look. Book me, guys, book me. But look at that. Turn to the other side. Yeah. Turn back front way. Yeah. Come, no, turn to the light. Turn to the light. Yeah. Want lace? Want lace? Yes. She looking scrumptious, yum yum. I needed it. I'm gonna get the swan approval. Mr. Woo! I my time now. My time now for fix up myself. This not work out. That's all. So my ear wash. I'm not gonna send a dolly until tomorrow. I'm sorry to disappoint on the hair. The hair I got always just splat up until it's ready for pull out. You understand? But mommy Yeah, she feeling like a dolly. We're at Fontana, trying to get into Wendy's. The drive-through for Wendy's is empty, but the line is out here, so. Because it's Christmas Eve. Who cooks on Christmas Eve? Who no cook on Christmas Eve? I know. But from ever since I know myself, Christmas Eve is always save your hunger until tomorrow kind of day. Like you fend for yourself. Not no cook. You're clean and you just find something munch. I want a hamtastic before my ear say it done. So we're here to get a hamtastic. I'm reach back home now. A time for my nails and my lashes. Yeah. The hamtastic.
Is it the normal combo?
I don't understand what you're saying.
It comes in a biggie box.
Right, and I'm saying I want the combo, not the biggie box.
Beef or chicken?
The beef one for both of them.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, come around.
She knew.
There's something on the board say combo or biggie box. If me say I want the combo, obviously I don't want the biggie box. That means it tastes good. And if it don't taste good, me I go vex. Because why you give me attitude? I'm not used to that. It's Christmas Eve. What the hell? Third hamtastic of the season. I never saw when I get the second one. Hopefully it's good. The second one did alright, but I never come down to hype on them because we got served after closing time. So hopefully this one stops because it's my dinner. So yeah. And so guys, Wendy's let me down the last 2 times. Then I go buy the hamtastic. It don't taste like the first time. Like it's alright. It's like if you eat the day of classic on a regular day, you would have like it too. But me not like it because the last time the jam or honey juice or whatever clump up. And then put one little thin piece of ham in there. And then this time then put one little thin piece of ham in there again. And kill it with mayonnaise. None of the honey something that upon it. Jam, whatever. Like
That's with them, man. Them can't be consistent.
yeah, man, where's the consistency? Where's the quality control? What's happening?
Like everybody come make it.
So yeah, all I work at them make it how they want to make it. Me not get back none until next year. Me make my taste buds reset. And then next year when it come back, them get in total them get 6 hamtastic out of my pocket. They must can satisfy. Boom. And these are the nails. Hold on, I'm gonna show the nails properly. These are the nails. I put 2 I put builder gel on it 2 times. It's pretty thick. It's really pretty. Very simple, very me. I'm not really fussy when it comes on to nails, so this is perfect for me. I would have loved to have a Christmas set, but this have to work because I never get none like in advance, and I never find none here. So these are the nails, these are the lashes. The hair is washed. The hair is gonna pull out tomorrow and look very cute. See, the fur is on full display, and the camera is to show up the skin one. I always think they're perfect, but tomorrow's Christmas Day. I'm actually excited now that I'm gonna fix it myself. It feels like it's something I come for true because you know, yeah. So cute. So yeah, the shenanigans are start earlier morning. Mommy, but what time you think we're gonna done with Christmas dinner? Like what? How early? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. So if you get up 7 o'clock, then food that can don't cook by 3-4. 3-4. 3-4 in the yard. Alright, well we'll learn to it. We're gonna see what and Mama just say this. May I bet you no $100, so if I'm right, I'm not give me $100. May I bet you no $100, say tomorrow mommy I gonna say yes. The day when everybody clean up themselves for come and gone. Baby to the $100 so she gonna say. She says it every single year. I just hope so I can catch it on camera food no. But yeah. 7 o'clock she say. 7 o'clock. I feel like such a hot girl. I should be going somewhere. Hey, when you look good, you feel good for China. Alright, me go done, yep. See you in the morning at 7 a.m. We might have a couple guests stroll through. Some faces you may know, some you may not. So, yeah. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals! Jesus the furry boy. Hold on. Alright. That look better. She was scared of work from Eddie. Anyways, it's Christmas! It's our little tradition when it's Christmas to keep the tree lit throughout the whole day. So the lights are gonna stay on for the whole day. It's like it's 7 in the morning. We made it our point of duty to get up early because we want Christmas dinner to be done cooking early. I'm making the ham, mommy's making the ox dinner fresh. I'm gonna make everything else. I'm just gonna make the ham. Yeah. And we're gonna open our gifts. We're gonna do it in the American way. We're gonna open our gifts in our pajamas. It's not what a gift. It's just one gift for me, one gift for mommy, I think. So, yeah, we're gonna open our giftsies. You ready, mommy? You ready for me a gift? Which people am I
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, give them it like greetings across the world.
Alright, I'm not about to put in New Year now. Come back to now with New Year. Merry Christmas, everybody. Big up yourself anywhere on a day.
Just want to send greetings to my sister from Birmingham, England. I wish her a happy Christmas. One love.
But I just want to big up my daughter too. Anyway, you're there this morning. I know this is the morning after your birthday. Have yourself a Merry Christmas anywhere you are when you born that year. Today was the next day.
Mommy, come on here, man. Alright guys, it's now after 8. I just go now a quick fit check. But you're not here is mommy cutting the coconut. Breaking the coconut for the rest of things. One day in the chamois and the if you know, you know. Yeah, this is the outfit. I got this Grinch sweater in gold. Regular yard shorts, my Christmas hat. You know? Tis the season to be jolly. How. So I can never know how for set them for fall, right? But I'll just work with that for now. Yeah, I'm going to get the charcuterie board started. Make some water go on bubble. And yeah. If I for make montage for everything we're gonna make, it vlog go full of too much montage. So I just have show on the charcuterie board when I'm done with it. Yeah, that's the plan, right? Right.
Long time I not do them things there.
I may say a long time I not see this, my
Long
friend.
time I not only when holiday I do them things yeah.
Rice and peas I go extra nice.
Yeah, when you cook the coconut.
Emphasis on the extra.
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah, the powder can bad some. Real coconut, bad.
This is the finished product. We have crackers over here. We still have try to do a little roll shape with cheese and grape. And a big money board like the one last year. Because the one last year, we made this big elevator thing and it was only me and mommy. As it always is. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. Cutesy, minimalistic, just protein, crackers. Right. So I'm gonna make some tea. We're gonna have this and then get started.
Today, yeah, everybody. Yeah.
What did I say? Eh? This isn't even the first time she said it since like last night. Every single year. And then when in the evening come down, she'll say, yeah. Wait. In the evening now. When night come down, yeah. The day where everybody that kill up themselves for come and gone. Every single year. turn on the best Christmas movie of all time as background noise because music did I get to me. To believe. The home of the rules. Guys, let's just take a well needed nap. On my back again. Where did I sleep that kill me? Alright guys, here is my ham prepped and ready to go in the oven. I forgot to make a second batch of glaze for when it come out in like 20 minutes. Yeah, not come out fully but re-glaze in 20 minutes. So this is how we're looking. Potato salad on the way, fried chicken on the way, oxtail is done, rice and peas done. Not pretty glass guys, but my arm dip on the way. And it's the time. I have to take off the Christmas ad. I did get at. It's 8 minutes past 2. I say it this morning to me, I say it again. This is a record time for us. Christmas dinner never ever ready in the afternoon at this household before. So I'm happy about that because normally I some bad 9 o'clock, 9:30 Christmas dinner we eat. Yeah. Stranger Things at 8. I can't wait. Yeah. Check on the back with my ham come out the oven. Alright guys, so this is it after the second round of glazing. So I'm gonna put this in there for a little bit more and then it's done. Change up the vibe a little, just for a little bit, you know. Is 3:25 while I make it a car. So the only thing that's on right now is the rice on the warmer, but we did Christmas 2025 in record timing. Mommy, try think back in your brain and tell me when was the last year this ever happened. Probably like some bad 2005, 6. When we live in a big yard, so everybody had help. But this never happened yet.
I live in a big yard, food dinner done yet. We have cooked big breakfast.
Yeah. We have 9 people.
When my mother was alive, a big breakfast I cooked. Steve, fish and eggs.
Yeah. Because my uncle them belly very long.
Yeah. Long.
But yeah, we're done.
Which one? Yeah, ShamDon.
We're gonna dolly down. Whatever one gets strolling through, full in belly, Mr. Russian. And then we're just like a whole vibe and get ready for Stranger Things later.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I never remember. Can I tell you?
She never remember me.
Never remember.
Yeah. We've reached the dolly segment of the dance. This is how I'm looking. I wore this dress last year, New Year's, but I didn't go anywhere. I just wore it for a YouTube video. If you guys, anybody watched it, they might remember it. This is how I'm looking. I take out my plaits, you know, turn into a little curly Sue. My little, yeah, I'm showing them mommy because mommy, mommy come out. That's all I can say. So far, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not really smell nobody else in the complex spot. I don't know if it is a case where everybody go other places for them Christmas dinner, but yeah, we're done, we're ready to eat. Here's a better look at what's going on. Cutesy. The lady come out in her print, you know. The lady step out into our print. I'm hungry like a dog. Hungry man. Can't wait for to taste all the flavors melting on my tongue. Can't wait. Guys, are we this? Oh my god, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Mommy have Barbie fried chicken, oxtail and you know, for my seconds me go for the Barbie fry, but right now, this is what we're working with. Guys, I can taste the skeleton in the party. You know that TikTok?
I know something I get it done.
Girl, I feel like you full of drunk me. Me don't me.
The battery done?
Me press stop. Me don't me eat that in more than 10 minutes. How long will I eat this? We craving now.
If you crave on this,
Girl, this
walk it down. Walk it down.
Mommy said she boss.
The boss for now, till you come more, me take up again.
And this is me. One piece of oxtail I have left. That little piece I'm gonna eat it now. That alone I have space left for. But wow! No, I wish everybody could have tasted a Christmas dinner like this. Wait, I have to talk about the oxtail with my hand. I should come. Top it off with a nice cold glass of sorrel. This one is highly infused with alcohol. Yeah man, I made this nice. And then when my belly settle, I pop my champagne when I buy. And then I go change off in my Stranger Things picture. Hey, that Christmas is festive. Quick outfit switch. You don't know. Guys, Russian just left. I don't know what it is, but every time him come here, I never pick up the camera. Because, yeah, but... Quick outfit switch to go to Hawkins. Mama said she not change her outfit yet. Yeah, already. Me I go pop my champagne and yeah, go Hawkins. It's time. It's time. I'm excited. I have my champagne. Cheers to a good 3 episodes. Alrighty.
Which episode now? 4?
3.
And then how much different?
1. Come Netflix. Alright. Oh! Mommy, no. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, mom, I like it.
Woo! Ooh! Lock it now. Lock it now. Jesus. Woo! Nobody no make it to Enzo's, girl. Mommy, make it better. Stop the chatting now, man. Mommy, why them a walk? No run them for a run. Big up Grooming. Max, run! Just finished with Stranger Things. Thank God nobody died. The final episode is December 31st. But yeah, that was it's 11:57. 3 minutes until Christmas Day is over, and it was a good Christmas day. Like, I enjoyed it. It was a good Christmas day. I don't know if I'm gonna continue the vlog after this, but if there's another clip after this, it's either ending the vlog or continuing. So we'll see. Really quickly, I just come to say that this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and you will have a safe and Happy New Year's as well. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna close it out. Nothing happened after Christmas Day, so yeah, I'm not miss nothing. But yeah, bye.